How to change Amazon Prime account phone number. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation I'll demonstrate how to change your Amazon Prime account phone number. So watch the video until the very end. To start, open a web browser and visit primevideo.com. Type in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across the official website of Amazon Prime Video and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Now from this page, click on your profile icon in the top, then go to account and settings. Now simply locate your details where it's indicating change your name, email, phone number or mobile number, password and more. Now click on edit on Amazon and it will take you to another page where you will be able to locate your mobile number. And from there, if you'd like to edit it, you can simply go ahead, click on the edit button and enter your new mobile number you would like to keep and then click on continue. So this way you can easily change your Amazon Prime account number, or you can also edit your Amazon mobile number. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.